Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. I got my mystery yarn package in the mail today and I'm excited. And this is from Shannon at Another Yarn. I do like her channel. I watched her channel. So, without further ado, let's see what it is. Now I gotta try to make sure I can open this package without cutting into the yarn. Yeah, that's going to be a challenge. It's in pretty tight. Oh, let's see. I can get you to open. Okay, there is another. I have to figure out where to get. This looks like it's a good. I usually mail my stuff out in the boxes party boxes I usually get from. Actually, not the post office. It's the grocery store that mails out, that has a post office in there, and I mail it from the grocery store. I'm still trying to open the box, or open the package carefully without ripping the yarn, ripping anything that's any of the contents in here. Oh. First layer is gone. First layer. There's another layer yet. Okay. Oh, I already start seeing some of the contents. Alright. Okay. Alright, so the note says, Julie, I really enjoy working with this yarn and hope you do too. So let's see what the yarn is. I can get it open. There they are. Oh yeah, okay. First up, Big Twist Party. Yeah, take a look at that for a bit. I think this is a full ball. Feels like it's a full ball. Well, anyway, a full ball would it be 240 yards and 3.5 ounces, or 220 meters, or 100 grams. Yeah, that is very nice. It's green color. Let's see, did they list the color on here? Let's see if we list the color. It is machine washable. Always a plus. Succulent is the color. That's the color, succulent. Let's see if I can get the best. I don't know if it's doing justice with the colors. So anyway, that's that one. We have Caron Simply Soft, also called Party. Is this one called Party? Yeah, both of these are called Party. That's kind of odd. Let's see. Well, I got the color first. It is Dark Sage Sparkle. That's that. You can see that better. It is a medium 4-weight yarn. Okay, I'm thinking this is 2. Yeah, these feel like these are all 4-weight yarns. So this is a 4-weight yarn. It's 3 ounces, or 85 grams, 164 yards, or 150 meters. That's that one. This is another, oh. Okay. That was weird. Camera / phone moved on me, so I'm like, holy moly. That was really weird. So, okay, I guess, alright. This is another Big Twist Party. Probably the same specs. 240 yards, 3.5 ounces, 220 meters, 100 grams. And this color, see if I can find the color, is Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush, that's that one. And the last one is, this is also, oh, another one, it's Caron, yeah, the one is a Caron Simply Soft Party. And this one, this color is Purple Sparkle. So, Purple Sparkle, in the Simply Soft, I got Purple Sparkle and what was this one again? I already forgot what this one was. Dark Sage Sparkle. So I got 2 sparklies. And I got these 2 big twists. One is, this is the Remember of a Succulent, and this one is, I forgot that one, Sugar Rush. Those are very nice. So, thumbnail. Okay, that's up for thumbnail. What am I gonna make with this? Oh, there goes one. I don't know yet. I'm thinking I got things we're making Thursday going on, so I could make something along that lines, or we'll do, or you know, I could use all these in a bag o' day hat, because we do the Bod Hat Palooza that's hosted by Laura over at Mimi's Crochet and Farming. I bet you all 4 of those will make an interesting hat. So that's an option. Or I can do something else. I don't know yet. I will think about it. So make sure you stay tuned and see what happens with all, okay. I dropped this with all these. So that's all I have for now. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this? Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now. If you're still here, I forgot to mention that the Mystery Yarn Challenge is hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef. Totally forgot to put that in there, so. Well, now we're gone. Bye now.